Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness nutrition life coach specializing in obesity and diabetes management. So today I'm giving you a new version of these protein sparing rolls that everyone's making. I thought I'd make my own version with a bit of an Italian spin, and I must say the result is so good. Like, this is like such a winner. It's absolutely delicious. I gave it to taste to other people. They thought it was amazing. I think you can fool anyone. Like, no one's gonna know it's like a protein sparing recipe. It's just deliciousness. So they're protein sparing rolls made into lasagna rolls. So it's like a one portion, everything you want from a lasagna, in one little bitey thing. Oh, so good. Can't wait for you to try it. Let's have a look how to make it. So as usually, I make a full recipe for the protein sparing bread because I never know how much I'm going to need. With everything that's left, I just make some like buns. So it's like my new favorite flour mix, which is 3/4 cup egg white protein powder, 2 tablespoons of whole egg powder, 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, 1/4 cup of allulose, and I mix it really well so everything is well combined. You break all those little lumps, and then into the egg whites, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, half a teaspoon of salt. Whip the egg whites like really well, then add the powders and well incorporate it. And this time I made one big tray for the rolls, and 2 small ones. So I made quite a few of them because I knew it's gonna be so delicious. And then I had a little bit left, and I just made 2 small baguettes. So you bake it at 325 or 160 Celsius for a very short period. I'm talking like 4 or 5 minutes until golden. You don't want to overcook it because then they're gonna be too stiff to roll. So before adding ingredients, just give the sheet of protein sparing a bit of a roll. Just get it a bit limber so you don't break it while you already have the ingredients on. So for the stuffing, I made some bolognese. I made my own one with some minced beef and 2 sausages and a bit of tomato sauce, and then an onion. And but let me show you how to make the most amazing cheese sauce. Usually all these like keto cheese sauces have cream cheese, and I don't like it. I don't think it has the right taste. So what I did, I put a tub of double cream, 300 ml, 1 ricotta cheese. I got it to boil, to like heat up through so everything was melted, and then I added some nutmeg, white pepper, a bit of cheddar cheese, and a bit of Parmesan cheese. This cheese sauce is da bomb. Like, it tasted so much like bechamel, because I know very well how bechamel tastes. This is where you have to trust my Italian taste buds, that this taste is the most like actual bechamel. Because bechamel, like, it just has a taste. It's not like any other cheese sauce. So cream cheese doesn't really carry for me. But this cheese sauce, oh my god, so good. So yeah, all I did was then put some bolognese sauce on one layer, then some of the cheese sauce, roll it up, cut it, and then place all the rolls into a baking tray. So if any of the protein sparing sheets had any like crispy ends, I just cut them off because it makes it easier to then cut it. Once all the rolls were lined, I spread the remaining cheese sauce with some other cheese on top. I also put some fresh oregano, and baked it until it was all melty. And here you have it. Is honestly, this is so good. I had 2 today, I had 2 yesterday, 2 today. So good. Like, you have to try it. And let me know in the comments below. Tag me on Instagram. Like, you have to. This is not an option. If you want to keep it carnivore, you could just do meat and cheese sauce, and that would be your carnivore kind of lasagna rolls. And but yeah, I use very little tomato sauce, so but yeah, up to you basically. And but yeah, did I say this was so good? They're soft, they're like cheese, but it's like, again, you need to trust my Italian taste, but when there's like this combination between bolognese and like bechamel sauce, it creates this creaminess, this very specific flavor, which is the lasagna flavor. So yeah, trust me that this hit the spot so well. But yeah, this is all I have to show you for today. I hope you do give it a go. Let me know in the comments below, what would you stuff your protein sparing rolls with? And but yeah, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. There's more to come. If you haven't looked at my previous videos, do have a look. I did quite a few interesting things, at least I think so, if I do say so myself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.